Hey guys, good evening. Kiran here. Welcome to a new video. It's evening time, something around 6:30. And today we did a nice program. It was quite intensive. We wanted to test the race pace of 10 kilometer. So in that, I'll walk you through what the program was. Yeah, in the program, we did 2 kilometer of warm-up run. That was something around, let's say, I think 13 or 14 minutes. And then after that, some strides 3 times 20 seconds to see my legs are warm up. Then it was 3 times 2 kilometer, and the pace that we decided was something around 5:30 to 5:40 per kilometer. So that was quite a challenging pace. I think 2 times I was able to do pretty straightforward, but after that it became challenging. See, there's a nice football ground here. So it's near Amsterdam. So back to my topic. Where were we? Yeah. So the third one was a bit challenging, but we decided not to give up, even if the pace reduces. And then we tried to see if we can make it happen. I think I was able to do the whole run without stopping. And it's also raining, not that heavy. See, there are some rainbows. Weather was quite good. It was 6 to 7 degree. So yeah, since it was not cold, felt bit better. Normally, you see on that side, there's kind of balloon. It's not a balloon. It's a hockey field or a football field where they try to cover it so that they can also train in, let's say, winter, especially the harsh winter where you have 1 degree or less than 0 degree. It's a good place. Overall, I was satisfied with this run. I think I was able to run overall 9 kilometer, and yeah, I still feel strong, not so weak. I'm happy that I decided to run in the evening. Weather was good, not too rainy, and it was overall good run. Thank you for joining me today for this nice, beautiful run, and see the nature around. It's so quiet, also beautiful, also very clean. And I love running when it's very peaceful, quiet, beautiful, and the weather is nice. Thank you for joining. See you next time. I'll post the stats. Bye.